the Food and Wine Expo, and we're just winding down, and I have Yessie here with the Texas T-Bone Steakhouse. Yessie, how was your day today?
It was great.
All right. What'd you guys serve?
We served the whispering shrimp and strawberry shortcake.
All right, I had a bite of it, and it's great. It just melts in your mouth.
It is amazing.
Yeah.
You can't go wrong.
All right, you guys having a lot of fun? You guys all having a lot of fun?
Yes, we are. It's amazing.
Yeah.
It turned out really great.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
See you next year. Ciao, ciao.